So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, we are going to discuss Code Chef contest problem. Its name is Optimal Flip. Now guys, let's try to get in depth. Okay, you are given an array. You are allowed to perform the following operation at most once. You can do this thing at most one time. Either do it one time or don't do it. At most once means that choose any number in the array and change it to that number plus one. Select any number in the array and increase it by 1. After doing this, maximize the number of subarrays which have at least one even element. Such a difficult problem in front of you, right? So, guys, the question is telling you something, and you need to feel the question very nicely. Only then you will become successful in your life. So, guys, they are telling you this is the array, okay? Guys, how many subarrays are in this array such that they have one or more than one even element? One or more than one even element? How many such subarrays are there such that they either have one even element or more than one even element? 2 is a valid subarray, it has one even element. 2 4 is also a valid subarray, it also has one or more than one even element. 1 2 4 is also a valid subarray. It also has one or more than one even elements, 2 and 4 you can see. And 1 2 is also a valid subarray. It also has one or more than one even element. 4 is also a valid subarray. It also has one or more than one even element. Guys, there are 5 valid subarrays which have one or more than one even element in them. Okay. Guys, Akash, tell me now. Is 1 a valid subarray, guys? This is not a valid subarray. In the valid subarray, there should at least be one or more than one even element. In this, there is no even element. So there are 5 valid subarrays. How many are there, guys? 5. Question is asking you, question is asking you increase this 5 by changing any number in the array. So guys, which number will you change in the array so that their number of even subarrays increase? Even subarray means any subarray having more than or one even element. What is a even subarray? Any subarray where there is either one even element or two or three even elements or more than that, it is called as a even subarray. How can you increase the number of even subarrays? Already you have 5 even subarrays. Can you make it 6 even subarrays? Yes. Change this 1 to 2. Now guys, all the subarrays of this array will have at least one even element, and all those will be good subarrays. Good subarrays. There will be 6 good subarrays if you change the first number. That's why in the question they are telling you now, you are allowed to change maximum one number, increase it by 1. Try to increase this count of the subarray having at least one even element. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Clear, clear. Okay. Now, guys, everyone write a yes in the chat if they understood the problem, what it is trying to tell you. I hope you guys understood that. Okay. Link. So, guys, life is going nice, right? Everything is going best. You understood the problem also. So nice, so nice. So now you take this and enjoy. So now, guys, okay, listen to me carefully. Uh, where is this? Yeah, okay. So now, see, basic observations should tell you We are given an array. We are given an array. We are given an array. Maximize the number of good subarrays by changing any one number of array to plus 1 to number plus 1. What is a good subarray? Any subarray which has at least one even element in it. So this much is no Digvijay. Life is good. See, whatever you think and whatever you say, that is the exact thing which will be reflected in your life. Got it? Clear? For example, when I was struggling in my final year, I was not getting, good, good problem solving and DSA skill. My rating was not increasing. Even then, I was telling myself, no, no, I am good. I am good. Don't worry, I am good. If you yourself cannot tell yourself good, who else will tell you? All others are already busy in their lives. So always remember to tell yourself good. Never, never tell yourself bad, even if that is the reality. Always self hypnotize. Clear, Digvijay? Now, so we learn philosophy also here, not just DSA. So, guys, this is the problem. Now, this is actually very easy problem. I have taught the concept to solve this problem at least 5 times in the course. Everyone write how many times Kumar K sir has taught this? 5 times in the course similar problem has been solved. So it's totally up to you if you guys are doing the course or not. नहीं करोगे तो फिर आपको जिंदगी में कुछ फिर तो नहीं आएगा. Okay. So now it will become 6 times because we are again doing it. So guys, this much is clear. Great, great, great. Let's take an example. 4 and 2134. 4 and 2134. Guys, how many good subarrays are there? Write in the chat, guys. Start counting. Start counting. How many good subarrays are there, guys? See, see, see. This is a good. This is a good subarray, right? This is also a good subarray, right? This is also a good subarray, I think. 4 good subarrays are already done. No, this is not a good subarray. This is not. But yeah, 134 is a good subarray. So 4 plus 1, 5. This is not a good subarray. But 3 and 4 is a good subarray. So 4, 5, 6. And this last number is also a good subarray, right? So guys, total 7 good subarrays are there. How many good subarrays are there? Everyone write in the chat. Aryan also understood. Good, 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 good. So guys, which number should you change so that the number of good subarrays increase? Now guys, use your common sense. Good subarray means any subarray which has at least one even element in it. So guys, to increase the number of good subarray, you should convert some odd number to even number. Guys, this is common sense. अगर इवन नंबर बढ़ाओगे तो इवन सब एरे बढ़ नहीं जाएंगे. कॉमन सेंस है कि नहीं ये चीज? The thing is that in this sub array, check which are the odd numbers. Check. This 1 is an odd number, this 3 is an odd number. Either you change 1 and make it 2, or you change 3 and make it 4. Do plus 1. So either of the odd numbers you should be changing. And you should check how many subarrays are increasing. Guys, I hope you understand this common sense that if you change the odd number to even number, only then the number of good subarrays will increase. Because good subarray meaning is any subarray which has at least one even element in it. Okay. So guys, if I make this 1, I do plus 1 and I change this element to 2. How many even subarrays are there? Now there are 9. All are even subarrays, all except this 3. All are even subarrays. In a array of size n, there are 10 subarrays. Now all are even except this 3 now. So 7 has become 9 by changing this number 1 to 2. Okay. Yeah. Guys, is there anyone who did not understand the question and explanation till here? If it's clear, then write yes. Everything is clear, guys. Basic stuff that this is the question and this is what you have to do. All 88 people, please. Please let me know. By the way, guys, I went with the fake account and I have got top 25 rank in Div 2. So Kumar K sir must have solved this question, right? Yes or no? Write in the chat. Yes or no? Quick, quick, quick. So I will tell you how I thought about it, okay? You know now your Kumar K sir is special. Unlike others, he really goes to the contest, okay? No DSA teacher goes to the contest, but he goes. So now, guys, listen to me very, very carefully. This much is clear to you. Great job, nice. So, guys, I thought about it. Okay, I thought about it. Everyone, right? Have you done 12th standard mathematics? Right? Yes or no in the chat, guys. Have you done 12th standard mathematics? So, probability of A is nothing but what? Okay, probability of A plus probability of A not happening is, let's say, the universal set. Okay, something like that. Okay, so probability of A is what? Total minus probability of A not happening, right? Similarly, guys, if I give you an array of size 3, how many total subarrays are possible? Can anyone write that in the chat, the formula? If n equal to 3, how many subarrays are possible, lovely people? No, Sumit, that's not the meaning. uh, श्रुति सिंह नो सर डन डिप्लोमा. डिप्लोमा किया तो भी बेसिक मैथ्स तो आता होगा ना, ऐसे तो उठ के नहीं आए हो ना. जोड़ घटाव आते हैं ना, इतना डिप्लोमा सिखाया था कि नहीं सिखाया था? Yeah. So guys, for array of size and how many sub arrays are there? Till diploma, did you guys learn this or you don't know? Yeah, you learned, right? Great job. So, if the array is of size n, there are n into n plus 1 by 2 sub arrays. Now, don't ask me, sir, ये formula कैसे आ गया? ये भी मैं ही आपको बताऊं. आपकी ये उम्र है अभी जानने की, तो भी बता देता हूं. चलो. Okay, let's do that. Let's enjoy. Today we just want to enjoy. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Initially, there will be what? This subarray 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Initially, there will be n subarrays. Then, all the subarrays starting at 2. 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5. Which is what? N minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3 plus n minus 4. If you do the summation of all of this, you will come to know that the formula comes out something like, for a general n, there will be n into n plus 1 by 2 subarrays. Okay, you all agree with it, right? Guys, someone give the question link in the chat to the people, please. Okay, okay. Now, guys, question is telling you good subarray. Question is telling you please focus on the good subarray. So, guys, good subarray means what? The subarray should have either one even element or two even element or three even element or blah 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 blah. Guys, what is the meaning of good subarray? Good subarray is C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5. Okay, G. Whatever. Till let's say na C big numbers. Either the subarray should have one even element, or the subarray should have exactly two even element, 3, 4 till n. Okay, guys, what is the total number of subarrays? Total number of subarray is what? C0. You will consider those subarray also na, which has no even element in it, plus the number of subarray which has one even element, plus the number of subarray which has exactly two even element, plus blah 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 blah. So total subarray equal to C0 plus this C1 till end is nothing but good subarrays. Good subarrays. So guys, can you see something? We have come to a brilliant conclusion. Total quantity you already know. It is nothing but what? Good subarrays plus C0. C0 means the number of subarray which has no even element in it. Everyone write yes in the chat if they agree with the formula. Total number of subarray in the array is nothing but the good subarray plus the number of subarray which has no even element in it. Everyone write yes in the chat. Fast, 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 fast. So guys, they are saying increase this. They are saying increase this. Guys, if this will increase, what will decrease? Guys, what will decrease? Guys, what will decrease? If good subarray is increasing, what will decrease? Use your brain. If TOT equal to A plus B and TOT will remain constant, A will increase, then B will decrease. Good subarrays you want to increase, matlab C0 decrease. C0 decrease. Now guys, if I reframe the question, it becomes super easy. Now the new question is, do at most one change in the array such that the number of bad arrays become minimum. If bad arrays become, गंदगी कम हो जाएगी तो अच्छाई अपने आप बढ़ जाएगी. Yes or no guys? Yes or no? Just do one change and the number of bad arrays should become minimum. What is bad array? Guys, bad array definition is simple. Array which has zero even element means all are odd. Means all odd elements. Now guys, now things are getting easy guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Bad subarray is nothing but an array which has all odd elements in it. You have to minimize the number of bad subarrays. See the brilliant observation. So guys, if I give you an array, how will you find the number of bad subarrays? I can do it in O of one time. I will show you. Let's say this is even element, odd, 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 even, odd, odd, even, even. Everyone write yes in the chat if they can feel this array. I am not writing the number, directly writing even odd. हमको नंबर से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? हमको तो even odd देखना है ना, भाड़ में जाए नंबर. Clear guys? Everyone write yes in the chat if they can feel that array in the deepest hearts of hearts. Can you feel this array guys? Don't lie to me. Can you feel it? झूठ मत बोलो. जितनी तुमको उसके लिए फीलिंग्स है, क्या तुमको इस एरे के लिए उतनी फीलिंग्स है? यस और नो? राइट इन द चैट फास्ट. या गुड, अभी आ गया तुमको. हाँ, so guys, which are the bad subarrays in it? This is a bad subarray whenever odd numbers are there. This is a bad subarray, only odd should be there. So guys, you know what is the nice thing? If the length of this continuous part is L1 and length of the continuous part is L2, all the subarrays of this part is also odd, is also bad subarray. So it will be L1 into L1 plus 1 by 2 plus L2 into L2 plus 1 by 2. Whatever is the continuous part ना, इस पे ये फॉर्मूला चिपका दो. नंबर ऑफ बेड एरे एक झटके में आप बाहर आ जाएंगे. Still I will show you again and again, again and again. Yeah. So guys, please tell me now. Even, even, odd, 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 even, odd, odd, even. Guys, how will you calculate the number of bad sub arrays? Bad sub array मतलब वो वाले सब एरे जिनमें सिर्फ ओ आ रहा है, ओ के अलावा और कुछ नहीं आना चाहिए, नहीं तो आपकी पिटाई कर देंगे. तो एक ये दिख रहा है और एक ये दिख रहा है. तो ये तो चलो है बैड, बट इसके अंदर के सारे सब एरेज भी तो बैड है. सो 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2 bad sub arrays here, and 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 bad sub arrays here. So guys, do you understand? First I check the total length, then I do n into n plus 1 by 2, because all the sub arrays of this array are bad. I know that all will have O. Guys, do you understand the formula to calculate the bad sub arrays in an array? You just travel, you find a, whenever you find a continuous segment of odd numbers, you just do length into length plus 1 by 2 and add it to the sum. Clear? Guys, is there anyone who did not understand कि सर बैड सब एरे ढूंढने के लिए? अच्छा, तुमको मैं एक बात बताता हूँ. समझो ये तुम्हारा एरे है. अब गाइस, इसमें ऐसे कितने सब एरे हैं? हाँ, कितने इसमें ऐसे सब एरे हैं सच दैट उनके सारे एलिमेंट ऑड ही आए? ऑल राइट, ऑल. इसका कोई भी सब एरे ले लो तुम, 1 ले लो, ये भी बैड है. 1 3 में बैड यानी इवन एक भी नहीं होना चाहिए. 1 3 5 भी बैड है, 3 5 भी बैड है, 5 भी बैड है, 3 भी बैड है. So when all the numbers are bad, na odd, the answer is nothing but what? 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2, right? All the parts of it. So similarly, in a big array, when I see some constant stuff going on, na, I just check its length and I do L into L plus 1 by 2, add it to my sum. Because all these parts and its subparts will also be bad for sure. Do you understand the deep meaning, guys? Is there anyone who still does not understand how to calculate the bad subarray? बैड सब एरे कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? इतना कोडिंग आता है ना? चलो, नाउ लेट मी टेस्ट इफ यू पीपल आर एबल टू डू. Guys, how many bad sub arrays are there? And tell me with which formula will you use to calculate it? How many bad sub arrays are there, Neelu? And what will the formula? See, this is the first part of bad. Bad means no even should be there. So for this part, it will be 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 bad sub arrays. Here also 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 bad sub arrays. 3 3 6 हो गया 7. 1 into 1 plus 2 by 2. 3 3 1 plus 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 7. Did you get it? So guys, everyone write yes in the chat if now they are ready for the visualization. So guys, bad sub array is very easy, huh? I know the algorithm. Guys, in O of n you will be able to do ना, या नहीं आता तुमको? आता है ना. एरे एरे में जब ट्रेवल कर रहे हो तो अगर ये नंबर पिछले वैसे सीमे में दोनों ऑड है तो काउंट प्लस प्लस करते रहना. जैसे इवन आ जाएगा तो काउंट इंटू काउंट प्लस 1 by 2 सब में ऐड कर देना. आता है ना? इतना कोडिंग की नहीं आता है? राइट योर आंसर इन द चैट. डू यू नो दिस मच कोडिंग और डोंट नो गाइस? यू नो दिस मच कोडिंग? गुड नाइस. कुमार के स्टूडेंट. सो नाउ गाइस, what is the solution to the problem? Solution to the problem. For each index I, for each index I, for each index I, if it is odd number, I will turn it into even number and I will calculate the number of bad arrays, bad subarrays. Whichever option gives minimum bad subarrays, that is my answer. Ha ha ha. So guys, this is common sense, right? Your task is, see, they have what they have told कि तुम कोई, you can choose any element and change it, right, one time. So try with every element, right? Common sense na. They are saying you can select any one element and you can make that odd number to even number. So what I will do is, for all the numbers, if it is odd, I will change it to even and I will check what is the number of bad subarrays. Whichever case gives me the minimum number of bad subarrays, that is my answer. Okay, that is my answer. Yeah, likit that we will do later on, that does not matter. So guys, आप एक एक बंदे को जाओगे, कितने आदमी थे? राइट द आंसर इन द चैट फास्ट. कितने आदमी थे? यू फॉरगॉट. तीन थे, तीन. ओके. सो गाइस, what you will do is, you will go and check the array. Whenever a number is odd, you will hypothetically convert it into even in your mind and you will see what is the number of bad subarrays. You will do this for all the indexes and whichever is giving you minimum bad subarrays, that is the answer. Everyone write Amit, we need to check. Okay, guys, write yes in the chat if you understand what we are trying to do. Everyone write yes. What you are trying to do? At every index I will convert the odd number to even number and I will check the number of bad subarrays. Simple. जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा मिनिमम आ रहा है वो अपना आंसर है. तो गाइस, व्हाट इज द ब्रूट फोर्स सोल्यूशन टू दिस? वेरी इजी. ब्रूट फोर्स सोल्यूशन क्या है? दिस इज द एरे. वेट, आई विल शो यू. Brute force is very easy. Don't have to do anything. And okay, I'm taking the one based indexing here. Okay, running the for loop. Guys, if this is a odd number, if this is an odd number, I will change it to even. Okay, then I will put the check function. Check nahi, count. I will count how many bad subarrays are there. Count function will count the number of bad subarrays. And I want minimum of all, right? Answer is what? Min of d comma answer. Answer I will initial answer is never important. The journey and the process is important. Answer is int max. So guys, I hope everyone understood this simple algorithm to solve this problem. Very easy. You go through all the numbers. If you find a number is odd, na. If a number is odd, you try to make it even because you can change only one number. So let's say you want to change this number. To change this number, when you change this number, what is the number of bad arrays? D is the number. But we want minimum of all the possibilities. So answer equal to min of d comma answer. And guys, what will be the final answer? Final answer will be total number of subarrays minus the bad subarrays, which will be equal to the good subarrays. If you are minimizing the number of bad subarray, good subarray will already automatically increase. Good is nothing but total minus bad. Clear? Guys, everyone write yes, 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 yes in the chat if they understand this n square algorithm. If I choose my first odd number into even number, no Saiksha, there is no guarantee in it. Okay, we have to be very careful. Yes, Shubham, you are correct. So you can test many things, but uh, guys, tell me the time complexity of this. This is O of n, but ये count बैड एरेस काउंट करने में भी तो O of n लगता है ना. पूरा एरे ट्रेवल करना पड़ता है, पता है ना, देखने के लिए O के कितने कंटिन्यूअस सेगमेंट्स आ रहे हैं. यस और नो? So this is taking O of n time, but this count function also takes O of n time. So it's O of n square. O of n square algorithm. So guys, you know that Code Chef is not going to give you anything. Yes, love you. Yeah, nice Chobashri. I always like to tell my students love you. But मुझे कभी कभी नाम चेक करना पड़ता है कहीं कोई लड़की का नाम ना हो. Okay, then girl student will think bad about me. So that's why. So now guys, coming back. So now, see, you now understand one thing is this is the simple algorithm, right? Guys, see, you have to understand from the start, हाँ. चलो मैं एक आपको रैंडम क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. रैंडम क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? Why are we only trying to change odd number to even number? Why you never try to change the even number to odd number? Can anyone tell me? अरे इवन को ऑड थोड़ी ना बना सकते. इवन को ऑड बनाओगे तो नंबर ऑफ बैड सब एरे इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे. जो ऑलरेडी है उनको तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. जो समझ रहे हो, फीलिंग लाता हूँ, फीलिंग लाता हूँ. वेट वेट वेट. You want to minimize the number of bad sub arrays, guys. What is the number of bad sub arrays in this? Guys, what is the number of bad sub array in this? Everyone write in the chat. Na Purvanch also. This is a bad segment. And Ashu, this is bad segment. 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2. And 2 into यहाँ पर 6 और यहाँ पर 3 9 आएगा. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. So it is total 9, right guys? You want to minimize this 9, but now you are doing a stunt. You are saying, sir, this even I will make it O. If you make it O, this earlier these were 3 only, now these will be 4. This number will increase to 4 into 4 plus 1 by 2, which is what? 4 into 5 by 2. 2 into 10. And then 10 plus this, 13. Guys, if you turn any even number to odd number, na, you are increasing the number of bad arrays. ओ बढ़ रहा है. ओ बढ़ेगा तो बैड एरे बढ़ेगा ना. इसलिए इवन को ऑड में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, सिर्फ ऑड को इवन में कर रहा हूँ ताकि बैड एरे कम हो जाए. Everyone write yes in the chat if this basic common sense is clear to them that yes sir, only you should try to convert the odd number to even number. So what is Kumar ke sir doing? He is going to each odd number, उसके डोर पे नॉक नॉक कर रहे हैं. एक छप करके उसको बजाया कान के नीचे, उसको इवन में कन्वर्ट किया, फिर चेक किया कि अगर इसको इवन में कन्वर्ट करूंगा तो कितने बैड सब एरे आएंगे. ऐसे सबके साथ किया. जिसने सबसे मिनिमम दिया, जिसने सबसे कम चिल्लाया, कम मारा पिटाई हुई, उसको हमने आंसर घोषित कर दिया. क्लियर? या. सो एवरीवन राइट यस इन द चैट इफ दिस बेसिक एल्गोरिथम इज क्लियर. या. नाउ गाइस, Einstein theory. What he said? Imagination is very important. Human being can do imagination even without inputs, unlike AI. That's why you are special. Okay. So how can you do imagination? Now guys, you are wasting too much time in calculating the bad sub array again and again, again and again, again and again, like a noob. Let's not be noob anymore. So guys, this is your array. This is your array. Okay. Everyone write yes, 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 yes in the chat if the feeling is clear. Jaldi लिखिए. So guys, first you calculate the number of bad subarrays. What is the number of bad subarrays? Let's say the number of bad subarrays is G. I calculated it. हाँ, मैं बहुत स्मार्ट हूँ, मैंने कैलकुलेट कर लिया. मैं कैलकुलेट करके बैठा हुआ हूँ कि कितने ओ है, मैंने सब कैलकुलेट कर लिया, जी में डाल दिया. Everyone write G G G G G G in the chat if they understand that Kumar के साथ travel the array and calculate total number of bad subarray in G. Now guys, I come to you with any random index I. I tell you to convert this odd number to even number, and in O of one time, tell me what will be the new value of G. That if you are able to tell the new value of G in O of one time, then your job is done. मतलब तुम एक झटके में बता पा रहे हो कि ये नंबर को चेंज करेंगे तो जी कितना चेंज होगा। तो इन सब में से जो मिनिमम जी आएगा तुम्हारा आंसर बन जाएगा। यस और नो गाइस? If in O of one time you can tell me what is the G, what is the G, top G endutate, breathe air, not bottom G. Let's make it top G. So guys, top G is given to you. Now, I am giving you any random index I. You have to tell me what is G dash in O of one time, okay? So let's do it. Let's do it now. Yes, yes, many things we can do. Now guys, अभी जादू दिखने वाला है गाइस। जादू के लिए रेडी? राइट यस इन द चैट गाइस। राइट यस इन द चैट गाइस। So guys, ha ha ha. If someone tells you that I want to change this index, अरे तो तुमको कुछ करना ही नहीं है। ओरिजिनली इसकी लेंथ एल थी। गाइस व्हाट वाज द ओरिजिनल लेंथ? व्हाट वाज द ओरिजिनल लेंथ? राइट द लेंथ इन द चैट। व्हाट वाज द ओरिजिनल नंबर ऑफ बैट सब एरेज एट दिस प्लेस? ओरिजिनल नंबर ऑफ बैट सब एरेज क्या थे? 4 × 4 + 1/2। गाइस ये नंबर को सेव कर लो जरा कहीं पर। ओरिजिनली कितने थे गाइस? ओरिजिनली सबने 10 सेव कर लिया? रिएक्ट करो इमोजी के साथ। सेव कर लिया तो ओरिजिनली 10 थे। ठीक है, मैंने ये सेव करके रखा है। मुझे पता है ओरिजिनली 10 है। अब अगर मैं ये वाले ओ को निकालूंगा तो क्या फर्क आएगा? लेफ्ट में एक बंदा क्रिएट हो गया, राइट में दो बंदे क्रिएट हो गए। तो गाइज ये दो बंदे कितने सब एरे बनाएंगे फॉर्मूला लगाया जाए तो? ये 3 बनाएंगे। ठीक है, ठीक है। और ये एक तो एक ही बनाएगा, तो 1 और 3 कितना हुआ? 4। So guys, in O of one time आपने बता दिया। In O of one time you told me that sir, if I destroy this element ना, the new number of subarrays bad will be 4. Earlier they were 10. So guys, पहले 10 था, अभी 4 हो गया, तो कितना डिक्रीज हुआ गाइस? गाइस O of one में बता दिया तुमने कितना डिक्रीज हुआ। तो गाइस अगर हर if at each index you are able to tell me how many decrease you are doing, will you not be able to find the number of bad subarrays at each index? Write yes or no in the chat guys. Write yes or no. तुम तो एक झटके में मुझे बता दे रहे हो कितना डिक्रीज हुआ। तो ऐसे ही हर इंडेक्स पे कर लो, हो गया, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व। ओके, सो लेट मी शो इट टू यू विद द different एग्जांपल्स। सो even odd even एक दो तीन चार even odd current। okay, so guys first you will travel the array and you will calculate the g. So guys what is your g? Can anyone tell me? In O of n time you will calculate the g in advance. Guys what is the g guys? This is 1 2 3 4. This is contributing 10 sub arrays, 3 3 16. G is 16. Clear guys? Guys now at any index I put you, मैंने तुमको यहां पर डाल दिया। मैंने तुमको यहां पर डाल दिया। सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? कैलकुलेट हाउ मेनी राइट जीरोस आर देयर एंड लेफ्ट जीरोस आर देयर। लेट्स से यू कैलकुलेट इन O of one टाइम। राइट में कितने गाइस? 2 है। लेफ्ट में कितना रह गया? ये निकल जाएगा, ये ई बन जाएगा। राइट, लेफ्ट में कितना है? 1 है। ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। पहले ये कितना कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे थे? पहले ये सेगमेंट 10 कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा था। ओके, now how it is contributing? This one is contributing 1, this is contributing 3, so 2 + 1 3 4. So earlier it was contributing 10, now it is contributing 4. Guys what is the difference? What is the difference? 6. So guys what will be g dash? G dash is g minus 6. 6 कम हो गया ना टोटल में। 16 minus 6 10. So guys write yes in the chat if you agree now that sir मैं मानता हूं I will be able to calculate g dash at every number which is odd, and from all the g and g dash I will take the minimum g dash, that is the minimum number of bad subarrays to solve the brilliant problem. But now guys there are some things which you need. Write yes in the chat if you're enjoying and understanding. There is one interesting thing in this problem which you're not asked me. Okay, so guys if I put you at any random index I, समझो मैंने आपको इसमें डाल दिया, तो गाइज आपको क्या क्या चीजें, व्हाट थिंग्स डू यू नीड एट योर डिस्पोजल, रीति, जेबा एंड आर्यन? जब आप यहां पर होते हो तो आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए? अरे यू शुड नो ना द लास्ट इंडेक्स ऑफ जीरो एंड द फर्स्ट इंडेक्स ऑफ जीरो। ये पता होगा तो ही तो ये डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट होगी, तोड़ोगे। हवा में से तो टपकने नहीं वाला ना। यस और नो? You need to know these values. You need to use hashing to store these things. Prefix array, suffix array, left array, right array. You need to store these things. हवे में कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Okay. So what I will do now, I am a very smart guy. What did I do in contest? For each index I na, I store the left even number index. गाइस 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, अगर मैं नंबर 5 इंडेक्स पर हूं तो गाइस बताओ लेफ्ट में इवन पहली बार कब आ रहा है? लेफ्ट में इवन पहली बार कब आ रहा है बच्चों? यहां पर है, एट इंडेक्स 1। मतलब जस्ट इसके बाद से ओ की गाड़ी चालू हुई थी। गॉट इट? हाउ टू कैलकुलेट? ओके, सो see, whenever there is o, I will create a left array. Left array will tell me in an instant कि where is the left recent even coming. So guys, for this there is no even coming, right? So you can say index 0. Is any even coming on the left? No. You can 0. This is even itself. So the recent even is at index 3. Recent even is at index 4. Guys, what is the recent even number for index 5? No binary such is needed. Recent even for index 5 is 4. अरे यहाँ पर खड़े हो तो even just left में ही तो आ रहा है। इसके लिए guys what is the recent even number? Prem, what is the recent even number everyone? 4. Guys, for this what is the recent even number? 4. For this, now this is even itself 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So guys, can you see the beauty of the problem? Can you see it? जब आप ये ऑड वाले पार्ट पर होगे ना तो आपको एक झटके में हर नंबर का ओ वन में पता चल जाएगा कि ये वाला जो मैं सेगमेंट पर हूं इसका लेफ्ट में इवन नंबर कहाँ आ रहा है। जस्ट उसके एक इंडेक्स आगे से मेरा ऑड नंबर का शुरुआत हुआ होगा, ये जो कंटिन्यूअस सेगमेंट है। सिमिलरली आई कैन कैलकुलेट राइट एरे ऑल्सो, राइट, which will instantly tell me for this odd number when is this segment ending. If I know the start and end of the segment, guys, is the job done or not? Write yes in the chat if you know the start and end of all the segments. So guys, I give you a random point O at index I. You know the total number of bad subarrays. How will you calculate G dash? Guys, how will you calculate G dash? First, you will calculate the index L. L is what? Left of I. This tells you where is even number coming recently. So let's say it is something like this. So even number is coming here. This is left of I, okay? Left of I is nothing but index of this number, okay? This number index. But guys, left of I plus 1 you will do na. If this is left of I, this E is left of I, but your actual O is starting from left of I plus 1. So left of I plus 1, this is your L. L you have found in O of 1 time. What will be R? Right of I. Right of I should tell you, right of I should tell you when is the even number coming on the right hand side. This is right of I. So right of I minus 1 will tell you the last time odd number is coming in this segment. So right of I minus 1. So guys, what will be the total length of the segment? You are at index I, you want to calculate the total length of the segment where you want to do the change. So it will be r minus l plus 1. What will be the original number of bad subarrays here? Length into length plus 1 by 2. And guys, how will you calculate the difference? Now you are destroying this I ना. तो गाइज इतना लेंथ तो कैलकुलेट कर ही लोगे ना कि L से लेके I माइनस 1 का क्या लेंथ होता है. दिस इज द लेफ्ट ओ पार्ट रिमेनिंग एंड राइट पार्ट का लेंथ क्या होगा? I plus 1 till right of I minus 1. You do this into 1 plus by 2 by 2. You know the original number and now the real number. Do the subtraction, know the change, and you do the D dash in O of one time. Can you see the brilliancy of this problem? How many observational concept, prefix sum, suffix sum, prefix, suffix, every concept it is clearing. This is one of the best hashing problem. Yeah. Guys, now everyone write yes if everything is now clear to them. Everything clear. It's very easy. It's very easy. Clear? Now, guys, I hope you know how to calculate left of I and right of I. Do you know this much coding or you guys don't know how to calculate then also? See, if your number is even, then left of I is nothing but the number itself. This is the recent even number. But if your number is odd, left of I is nothing but whatever was the left recent even position for the previous number. Run a for loop, you get the left of I. Similarly for right of I. You pre-calculate left, you pre-calculate right. Now guys, what you will do? Also you will calculate top G and mutate, breathe air. Next thing, you travel the whole array. Whenever there is a odd number, you calculate G dash. Out of all the G dash, minimum G dash is your answer and final answer is total minus minimum G dash. How will you find the G dash? ये मैंने आपको सिखा दिया. लेफ्ट ऑफ आई ढूंढो, राइट ऑफ आई ढूंढो, ओरिजिनली कितना था उसको कैलकुलेट करो, फिर अगर इसको निकालेंगे तो कितना होगा, लेफ्ट राइट का पार्ट का कैलकुलेट करो, सबट्रैक्ट करो, डिफरेंस निकालो, जी डैश निकालो. इट इज बिग बट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज क्लियर, राइट? Okay. Yeah, I know you guys are Kumar K students. So guys, react with emojis if you enjoyed and loved it. So now guys, stop and save. Okay, stop and save now. We can do this without prefix and suffix as well. Uh, you can do, but it will be no. At least suffix array you will be needing, because if you are doing via this method where you are changing each number, तो तुमको पता होना चाहिए कि लास्ट में कहाँ पर है, राइट में कहाँ पर है. इवन इफ यू डोंट यूज इट, चलो तुम इसकी पोजीशन निकाल लोगे, इसका पोजीशन वो कौन निकाल के देगा? सो इट्स बेटर टू हैव लेफ्ट एरे एंड राइट एरे एट योर डिस्पोजल, so that for any odd number you can instantly know when is the start of this segment and where is the end of the segment. If you know these indices, you can easily calculate the full length and the length after removal of this number. Everything will be easy. Clear? Any other solution for that, guys? You have, I am Kumar K, you are other. Use your own brain to come up with other solution. This is the easiest one, okay? So guys, write yes in the chat if this is clear. Guys, implementation you have to do. I have its code, but I will not give you. You have to use your own mind. You are Kumar K student now. You are an old student. You are not a new student. तुमको पता होना चाहिए कैसे एरे ट्रेवल करते हैं, कैसे लेफ्ट एरे निकालते हैं, कैसे राइट एरे निकालते हैं, कैसे एक एक नंबर को चेंज करके जी डैश करते हैं, सब पता होना चाहिए. बट डोंट वरी, बाय टुमारो कोड्स विल बी अपलोडेड. ओके, या